All right, Tech Tip Thursday. Today we are talking about the i3 oven and i3 troubleshooting. Now I shot this once and I'm shooting it again, which is okay. This series will be going over the entire F3 mag current air troubleshooting guide, which you'll see on the screen, probably up there. And what we are going to be going through is the first thing on that list, which is this oven an international or US oven? The answer is, of course, US. We're in the US. And because this is a US oven, it has a feature that an international oven will not. And that feature is actually this K6. What this K6 does is it is basically switching the taps on the back of your transformers. So these transformers in the back here, can be used for either 208 or 240 in the same transformer. So only when you look at these, you have 3 wires going to your primary side, and only 2 of those will be energized during normal operation. What the K6 does is it changes between those taps based on the voltage that the oven sees. So how does it see that? Back in this corner, you'll see a little round puck down on the bottom right there. That is your voltage sense module. And that voltage sense module tells the control board what voltage it's seeing. So when it sees that, it will use the K6 to change that voltage or move the taps on those transformers by clicking in or out. And that is how it changes what taps in the back work. Now, why does that play an important role? It plays an important role because if you're using the wrong taps, you're going to get the wrong voltage on your secondary side of that transformer going to your high voltage capacitor, which then is going to mess up your magnetron. So that's where this plays an important role, and it's why it's first on the list of is the K6 in working condition. How do you test a K6? You can verify the K6 is getting signal by testing your signal wires, which are going to be in the back, which are always in the back, so you have to unplug them, and then you'll actually have to try to get that activated to see that. Or you can test your primary voltage coming in and make sure that when you have 208, you're getting 208 and it's not going to the 240 volt tap. Hopefully that helps you out, and we'll see you on the next edition of this, which will be covering the safety circuit or the interlock switches, and that'll be on a different oven. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.